show. And kita-kita po tayo. And siguraduhin po natin na mag-enjoy kayo sa family. And ano ba? Yun, The Voice Kids. Abangan niyo po palagi. Mapanood niyo po ako. And si Coach Pablo sa The Voice Kids. Abangan niyo po yan every Sunday sa GMA. Sa The Voice. Abangan niyo po yan every Sunday sa GMA. And ano ba? Sa baba? Ano po meron? And siguro more group and solo engagements soon. So, abangan niyo lang ako saan. Ano ba? I am super excited for the holidays, for Christmas, New Year. And thank you again. Maraming salamat for watching this live. Kahit napaka-random, again, thank you so much everyone for supporting us, supporting me, supporting SB19, and supporting 1Z, and supporting other people all around the world. Thank you so much, and have a great night, everyone. Have a great night. Good night. Thank you. Maliligo na po ako. Because, look, pagod, pawis, at ang buhok ay may wax pa. Sige na. Good night na. Again, happy birthday sa nanay ko. Thank you guys. Good night. Pahinga na kayo. Good night. Love you. Isa nabuksan ko, galing sa 18, galing sa isang berry. Kung di ako nagkakamali, pangalan niya, nakalimutan ko, Jem. Si Jem. Thank you, Jem. Binigyan niya ako ng Hachipupu na, Hachipupu ba to? Hindi, Dimo pala, sorry. Binigyan niya ako ng Dimo. Nag-video ba ako ng unboxing nito? Actually, parang hindi. Binigyan niya ako ng Dimo and ito yung napul ko. Ayan. This one. So, ito ay ano to yung parang nagulat? Kalimutan ko. Pangalan nito. Basta yan. Ito yung napul ko. Thank you. Thank you po sa nagbigay. Box. The stars are bright and shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's rise. Lord, made the world and sitting there hiding to you. And the soul felt its worth in the thrill of hope. The weary world rejoices for your breath. A new Lord is born. Oh, the angels say, oh Lord, divine, all night when Christ was born. Oh, I defy on the divine.
All I want to say is Merry Christmas, everyone. I just want to greet everyone a Merry Christmas. Hope you find the love the peace and joy this year. Until the next year.
The weary world rejoices for yonder grace. A new and glorious morn for on your knees. Oh, here you voices, oh Lord, divine, oh Lord, this was born, oh Lord, divine. Oh, as long as nakita natin yung bawat isa na nag-e-effort para mapaganda yung buhay ng bawat isa, walang titigil, parang gano'n. Hanggat nakikita natin ang bawat isa na nagsisipag at nag-e-effort, dapat i-cheer natin ang bawat isa. Dapat tawag dito, dapat hikayatin natin ang bawat isa na maging best version of themselves, na maging best version ng bawat isa. Yan, let's make a pact. Let's make a promise na we will never stop until we reach yung mga gusto natin sa buhay. Nakakapagod siya, yes, pero kaya nga natin ginagawa ito, diba? Kasi willing tayo mapagod for the betterment of everyone and our personal likes. Oh, promise. Basta, cheer ko kayo palagi. Cheer nyo din ako palagi. Cheer ko kayo palagi.